Let's see the question number 5. A battery consists of a variable number n of identical cells having internal resistance R each, which are connected in series. The terminals of the battery are short circuited and the current I is measured. Which of the graphs shown the correct relationship between I and n? Okay, first see what is the formula of I. I is equals to n by n r, where E is R, this is constant. This is constant. So the n will be cancelled with n, and we will get E by R. So in this we can clearly see that n or ei is not dependent to any one of them. So the graph should be like I and n. On increasing of n, I will be constant because it does not depend on n. So let's match the, so if we will match this graph with the options, the correct answer will be first. So let's see in the next slide, is this correct answer or not? Yeah, the answer is option number 1, that is it is independent of n. I is independent of n and I is constant.